Hello, this is Inside Edition. Let me explain you how to install the wireless charger plate. First, you have to prepare a Quick Charger 3.0 and USB-C cable, a wireless charger, and a plate. Let me give you a brief explanation before going to the car to install the plate. The USB charger that plugs into the cigarette jack must be a Quick Charger 3.0. This product, if you see, is 6 centimeters long. This product is 4 centimeters long. You can use any USB port regardless it has 1 or 2 ports, but I recommend you to use one with less than 6 centimeters to make it easier. Next, the USB-C cable, it has to be a 90-degree USB charging cable. You need to use a USB cable that supports more than 2.4 amps to use the wireless charger without heat. Next, the wireless charger. You may choose the product with the upper and the lower side divided like this. Then, now, let's look at the plate produced by Inside Edition. Let's try to attach the charger to the plate. First, let's combine the wireless plate and the wireless charger. Lift naturally the charger. Put it into the hole of the plate, and it will fit exactly like this. Next, you have to plug the cable. Plug the cable so that the wire goes to the left side, like this. The wire goes to the left side. Hold it like this, turn it back, and wind it up. You may naturally wrap it around 3 or 4 times and lift a wire about 15 centimeters to the right side, like this. With it, let's head to the car and install it. We came down to the car to install the plate. We need to remove the ashtray, the cigarette jack, and the cup holder. Let's remove them. For the cup holder, there is a bottom at the front. When you push it forward like this, you will hear a snap sound. We'll put it up. It will be easily removed. For the ashtray, there are spaces on each side. Put your fingers here and remove it while slightly pulling it up. And for the cigarette jack, give a slightly pull, like this. Next, try to touch the space where the plate will be installed. If you put your hand inside, you will know that it is divided into 2 layers. If you put it inside, you may touch the blocked wall. Okay, then let's install the plate. Remove the package. Open it like this. Use your fingers. Connect it with the battery. Connect the plate with the wireless charger. The LED goes to the right side. Okay, it's well connected. Now plug the cable. The cable goes to the left side, and then use your fingers to wind it up 4 times. The wire comes up from the right side bottom. The wire that was just wrapped goes under the plate and the charger. Now place it inside. If you lower this cover, it will fit well like this. When the cable goes out so long like this, put it back into the hole at the right side and it will fit well. Then let's put the cigarette jack. The cigarette jack needs to be plugged in vertically. If the cable is plugged, the green light will be on. Let's see. Okay, the light is on. Then for the plate to be better attached, let's fix it with the cup holder. Install the cup holder. In order to fix the cup holder tightly, put the buttons in 2 times. Okay, now let's put the smartphone on. When the smartphone is placed, the quick charger sign is on. Then it was well installed. Let's finish here.